Hey there everyone, I am Naman Sharma. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain with you all how we do routing using routing and React.js. Uh, to understand routing, I have prepared a small project. Uh, First, before we start this video, let's go through the project once. Let's do this. So this is the demo project which I have created. This project will in particular show you how we work with the routing part in React.js. So in this project we don't have much things. The what we have is this simple web app. Here we have navbar, the main body and the footer. Then we have this four navigations, first to home, second to about, third to services, and fourth to contact. And the best thing here, I will also show you that if we have any unknown route like ABCD, which we don't know, which is our web app don't know what this ABCD is, so we will route these non-existing URLs to this page not found. Okay, so now let's see the our code. Let's see the source code. Here there we will understand how this is working. So let's close this terminal. In the source code, this is the React app which I have created. In the source directory we have two important folders. First is the component folder and second one is the pages. We have about 5 pages: home page, about page, contact page, services page, and the one small page not found page. So there's not much of the content inside these pages as of now, because you have seen these pages, they are just for the demo purpose. Yeah, so what's inside the components then? Let's see the components. The first component we have is a navbar. Inside the navbar we are using a link from React Router DOM. We are using link. Link is just like the anchor tag we use in HTML, but the only difference between link and anchor tag is that when we use anchor tab, whenever a URL is clicked, then the whole page is reloaded. This problem is solved using link. When we move from one URL to another, a virtual DOM is created, and the whole resource page is not reloaded again and again. So that's why we are using link. Then we have the footer, which is a very basic one. Then we have the layout part. Layout is one of the important files here. Here we are again using a functionality from React Router DOM, that is outlet. So what is outlet? So in this file you will see that first we have a bit of CSS, then we put the navbar, then we have the main component. Inside the main component we have put the outlet. So what this outlet is that this outlet will route us to all the full pages which we will pass it into it, that is all other thing except the navbar and the footer, which are kept fixed. So we will be routing from this page to another page, and the navbar and footer will remain constant. We can see here that every page we visit, be it home, about, only the middle content is changing, but the navbar and footer are constant everywhere. So these are the components here. Now other main routing portion, we have discussed the routing in our app.jsx file. So let's first see what's in it, and then I will recreate this file uh, for you to understand everything much better, in a better way. So we have in this file we are using the most important thing is that we are using this thing. We are importing route and routes from the React router DOM. This will help us to create routes for different pages. Then these are the basic imports for our home page and other pages and the components which we are using. Then inside the function we have created a routes. Then we have created a route for the root directory which is directing the layout portion. And inside this layout route, then we have added an index element as home slash about slash services slash contact and slash asterisk. So this was a very basic thing. So let's see. I will recreate this file now. So first thing which we do is rfce, which will give us the basic React structure. Then we can import routes and route from React router DOM. Now inside this return thing, we will go and create routes. Now inside the routes we can create more routes. The first route which we will create is the root. Yeah, the first thing which we create in any application is the root. That is where we will land, where the application will land, or where any argument is not passed inside the URL. So the element which we are passing into it is layout. So we can see here I missed the equal to, so this layout is not auto imported, so I think we need to import it. Yeah, so let's import it here. Import layout from, yes, I have the component slash layout. So now we have imported it. I will disable my copilot, manage copilot. Okay, so and know what's here happening, so let's keep it away for the time being. So here, so we have created the layout path. Now inside the layout route we can now create the more routes. So the first route which we will be creating is the index route, which is index element, right? And that is home. So the first element inside the layout will be home, that is the root directory is the layout, and the first element inside the layout will be the home. After this index element, then we need to create routes for other pages. So let's close this. Now we can create one more route. Path is equals to slash about, and the element will be slash about. Now we can copy paste it. So it is for contact, then this is for services, and here we will create one route for not found. First we will see here for contact, let's create a slash contact, then slash services slash service. So for not found route, the thing which we will be doing is that we will put a star or asterisk here, because any route after doing this, any route which the server don't know will be routed here. That is, whatever we enter, whatever changes we make into our URL, that is ABCD or anything else, anything which is not recognized by our server will be routed onto not found. So uh, till now our app should have the main working portion is done. uh, Yet we have many errors inside our uh, application, because let's see the errors, because we have still not handled our imports. We have seen that our auto imports were not working. So these are the errors which are now there in the app. So this will all resolve when we will import all the required statements. So first we will import home, from slash pages slash home. Then this will be import. I will import from slash pages slash about, and the module name is about. Then I will import contact from slash contact page, and then the last thing which will import now services. So here we have the services page. Now the last thing which we need to import is the not found, from slash pages slash not found. So now let's see the application here. Now we will refresh it. So see, after we have imported all the required statements, now the application is running fine as it was doing earlier. So I think I have created some issues with the services route because it is not recognizing it. So let's see. uh, so inside the service, okay, I think inside the nav bar I have used some different spelling for services. So I have added services, S is here, and here I have mentioned S. So that's why inside the services we were saying this. So as we refreshed it, the service page is back. The contact is there, services is there, about is there, and home is there, and any other route is also there. Yeah, it's all working fine. So you have seen how we handle the routing portion in our React.js project while handling the front end. This is the complete thing which we are going to handle inside our routing. The most complex apps which have lots of routing are also created in this same way. Yeah, we can obviously add more things like creating private routes. For that we just need to create a function, and that will make sure that these routes could be accessed only when the person is logged in, but that's a different thing. So this was the complete routing structure which I have discussed with you all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.